Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to present the Admanox project called Cáicu. And today is September 21st of 2023. And this is the issue 57 and Archlabs Archive number 36. So for this week, we've been working basically on the 3D model printing and some of the views. And we're going to jump to the process that we've been working. Last week, we started with the 3D model, of the process. And this week, we've been working on a new 3D model project. This model has 3 layers. And the first step that we did was to upload the 3D model to the Ultimaker Cura application. And one of the issues that we present this week was the 3D model was in a scale 1:1. So it was really bigger than the printer that we have. So we scale it down. But when we scale it down, it is still really big for the printer. So we decide to have the maximum details of the 3D layers and how it's component. We decide to just 3D printing a slice of the vertical drop. So we can have the circles and the holes and how it will connect. And then we started like start working with this slice version. And at the moment, the 3D printing is still working, but this is how it's going. So for the next archive, we will have like the 2 versions. Yeah. In something that we were learning about the support for the 3D model in the printer, we decide the first one was a 3-type supported version, but it wastes a lot of materials. But in this case, we use a normal one, but with less points. And it's just like a small lines that just holds the critical points that the model needs, those supports. So it's less material that we're gonna waste, and it's less time too. But in general, here a close-up. Yeah, here's a close-up of how it's working. We saw a few things that we need still to get better on the model and for the 3D printing process, but this is a learning experience to get better on any results.
Yes.
So we're gonna now jump to the views that Riam has been working.
Yes, so I started working on the views for the vertical drop shown underwater, and with the corals and the sea life underneath the sea. And there are close-ups of the vertical drops, and one that is above the water showing like the boats, and behind it's like an island in the background. But once we decide on the platform, this can be added obviously, and it will look much better, the top view, because currently the top view is just showing a little bit of the vertical drop showing from the water. So currently, yeah, so the undersea is looking kind of there, but the on top of the sea view. I think
Yes.
Yeah, that's for today. Thank you.
Thank you.